Above every violent thunderstorm, a hidden light show erupts that most people will never know exists. It happens in the space between weather and space. It looks like ghost jellyfish, blue cones, and instant glowing rings that blink out before your brain can catch up. For decades, these flashes were dismissed as camera artifacts. Then pilots and satellites started catching them. Suddenly, the sky had secrets. They have names that sound like science fiction: sprites, elves, blue jets, and gigantic jets. Sprites flare red and feather like a jellyfish, hundreds of kilometers wide. Blue jets punch upward from cloud tops like underwater geysers of electric blue. Elves are invisible until a perfect frame shows a flat, expanding halo, one pulse of light ripping across the edge of the atmosphere. They last a breath, then vanish. They can reach altitudes where the air is thin and the aurora lives. How do they form? The simple part is lightning. The strange part is what lightning does to the sky above it. A powerful cloud-to-ground strike creates an electromagnetic blast that races upward. That blast can temporarily change the chemistry and conductivity of the mesosphere and lower ionosphere. Electrons accelerate. Nitrogen molecules glow. The shapes depend on altitude, field direction, and the speed of the pulse. What looks like a spectacular accident is actually electricity sculpting air at planetary scales. But the surprise doesn't stop at beauty. These transient luminous events inject energy and molecules into the upper atmosphere. They create reactive nitrogen compounds, alter ozone briefly, and send radio interference across frequencies used by satellites and aircraft. Some models now suggest they could influence how thunderstorms couple to the global electrical circuit, a link between a storm you see on the ground and the space environment above it. We are only beginning to map how often and how strongly. Even more unsettling, these lights are not Earth-only. Probes have glimpsed lightning and high-altitude flashes on other planets, hinting that electrical weather is a universal technology of atmospheres. That means the dramatic physics playing out silently above our storms may be a common process shaping atmospheres across the solar system. So next time you see a thundercloud, imagine an invisible hemisphere of fireworks above it, a secret symphony of light and chemistry connecting the ground, the sky, and space. The world is still hiding wonders in plain sight. If this stunned you, hit like, subscribe, and share. Don't miss the next sky the world thought it had already seen.